Little baby. Little baby. Ah! Bye, baby. Did you know I had a guitar? Well, I do. Got it when I was a kid, and thing's an absolute piece of garbage. You had to send these back to get them filed down. Pretty much the entire case. It just popped up one day, and my dad Gorilla Glued the whole thing in. Well, the buttons for the straps came off, so a piece of tape there. Just overall a really junky guitar. And so I'm finally getting around to taking the guitar strings off it and then smashing it in slow motion. And I'm gonna do my best to sell these, as well as everything else that came with it. New strings, tuner, picks, a whole DVD CD combo. And so I finally found a perfect use for these weird butterfly wing band-aids. They just hook right around the strings there. Make for perfect labels. I mean, look at that. Perfect. 5th string.
Oh, that's a loud noise. There we go. Bye-bye, Chinese guitar.
Well, there you have it. My apologies for the quality. Apparently my phone automatically went to 720p for the slow-mo instead of 1080. So that's a bummer, but oh well.
There you go. That's a good one. I'm stealing that now.
I wish they would like send that to
Oh, it's real fun. It's real fun. You saw right? I have to drop it off. I have to drop stuff off to the main office, and if there's one thing which if they can't drop, I can't drop off.
Mine. This one.
How is that thing still intact? Someone took care of this skull.
Very nice.
Is this the original paint? You don't, right?
Yeah. The speedometer is also kind of weird. So the speedometer is a ribbon that goes
Turn
across.
signal. Remember this thing? I like it so much. I got 2 more. Yep. The features now. It's weird because they don't look green at all on screen. That's about as green as they look in real life, but with normal brightness. Cameras are weird. Dahlia, what are you doing? Look at you being all balanced and stuff, huh? Look at you. Look at you. That's gnarly.
2 hours later.
No.
Yeah, that was a long ride. We out here at the beach, joined by Layla today. Got that Insta 360. Just having a grand old time. Taurus. First time swimming since I got back from Australia. I swam in Hawaii a little bit, but first time back at home here at my favorite Jenna State Beach. And then did a little body surfing, tossed the frisbee around a bit. She's pretty good at frisbee, not gonna lie.
On the counter, I've been drowning out the hours on my own, on my own. Woke up swearing I've been dreaming, but it's real, I'm sleeping all alone, all alone. And it won't stop killing me now. Yeah, I'm broken, hollowing out, just an empty shell of a house. When you're not around, I got poison pumped in my veins, so give me a chance. I can prove I'm changing my plans. All for you, I'll wait till it hurts, but the clock, I swear it don't work. Time is moving so slow, 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 slow. Time is moving so slow. Time is moving so slow, 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 slow. Time is moving so slow. Time is moving so
This is Portsmouth. Really awesome little ocean town. I want to stop here for a little bit. Get some ice cream. Sound good?
Chill.
Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna change back my other clothes at some point. It's still very hot out though. I just look weird right now. Make sure the whole fit, alright? The whole fit. Sounds like two buddies working at two separate churches are just ringing their bells back and forth. Halloween time.